85 sangster tower, hold the short, runway 25.
Runway 25, American.
223, we estimated calm, clear takeoff, runway 25.
Runway 25, United 223.
For United 1519 is passing Duveg for runway 25.
151, and sangster, container approach, runway 25.
Runway 25, United 1519. It is 1519, we have a field set.
1519, wind calm, clear to land, runway 25.
1519, clear to land, runway 25.
223, airborne 52, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Lake, United 223.
The end.
519, vacate at the end.
One 519er, you're vacating next left on Charlie.
On Charlie, United 1519.
519er, arrive 55. Vacating next left, contact run 121.7. 085, confirm ready.
American 1085, we're ready.
One 085, wind calm, clear takeoff, runway 25.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25, American 1085.
JetBlue 280 sangster tower, confirm ready.
280.
JetBlue 280, enter runway 25, you taxi off, line up and wait in position.
Enter runway 25 at Alpha and then line up on wait, JetBlue 280.
American 1085, 59, contact 120, decimal.
Decimal 80.
Wind estimated 330 degrees, 5 knots, clear takeoff, runway 25.
Runway 25, JetBlue 280. Three in sequence, line American for runway 25 on Alpha.
Southwest 1043, San Francisco, Roger, hold short, runway 25, number 2.
Runway 25 on number 2, Southwest 1043.
Number 280, airborne 02, contact radar 120, decimal 8, good day.
JetBlue 280, see you.
And 857.
American 857, sangster tower, confirm ready.
Ready, American 857.
57, Roger, wind estimated to come, clear takeoff, runway 25.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25, American 857. And American 857, to clarify, we do need back taxi for performance.
857, firm, clear to enter runway 25, your taxiway Alpha, backtrack, wind position, clear takeoff, runway 25, wind calm.
25, back taxi and clear for takeoff, runway 25, American 857.
Southwest 1043, San Francisco, confirm ready. 1043, enter runway 25, your taxi Alpha, backtrack into position and line up and wait at runway 25.
25, clear to backtrack, back taxi runway 25, Southwest 1043.
Eight five seven airborne 08, contact radar 120, decimal 8, good day.
120, decimal 8, American 857, so.
1043, wind calm, clear to take off, runway 25.
Takeoff, Southwest 1043.
Tower, good day, Transat 151 on the RNP 25.
Transat 151, sangster tower, continue approach, runway 25.
Wind check, Transat 151.
151, wind calm.
Thanks.
One 151, wind calm, clear to land, runway 25.
Runway 25, Transat 151.
This 1043, airborne 11, contact radar 120.8, good day.
You have go 1 as well, Southwest 1043.
This 1116, and still confirm, ready.
116 is ready.
116 behind the landing, Airbus 321, Transat, now 2 mile and final, line up and wait behind, enter runway 25, backtrack via taxiway Alpha.
Behind the landing, Airbus will back taxi and line up and wait on 25, Southwest 1116.
Is that 151 or 14, vacate taxiway Charlie, contact ground 121.7.
Getting on Charlie 7 over ground, Transat 151.
And Southwest 1116, wind estimated calm, wind in position, clear takeoff, runway 25.
5, Southwest 1116, thank you.
One 4, enter runway 25 via taxiway Alpha, line up and wait.
Runway 24, Alpha and position.
Southwest 1116, airborne 16, contact radar 120.8, good day.
20.8, runway 16.
Wind calm, clear takeoff, runway 25.
Takeoff runway 25, JetBlue 1194.
1194, airborne 20, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Decimal 8, we'll see you, JetBlue 1194, good day.
949, sangster, tower, wind, station, com, clear to land runway 25.
Clear to land, runway 25, Delta 1949.
Delta 1949, Air 32, vacate taxiway Charlie, contact ground 121.7.
Charlie to the gate. Okay. United 1682 with you, runway 25.
682, thanks, Florida, wind, com, clear to land runway 25.
Runway 25, United 16.
Air 35, vacate taxiway